Is your Chrome browser feeling sluggish? Is it taking forever to load your favorite websites? Maybe it's time for an update. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to update Google Chrome. To update Chrome on PC, open the Chrome browser and then head to the three-dot button at the top right of the screen. And from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now from the left panel, head to About Chrome option, which is at the very bottom. And you can see that Chrome will automatically check for updates, and if there is an update available, it will download it. Easy, right? So these are the steps that you can apply to update Chrome on your PC. To update Google Chrome on Android, open Play Store and then select the profile pic on top right of your screen. After that, tap on Manage Apps and Device. After that, head to Manage at the top. Here, select Google Chrome, and if you have any update available, you will see an update icon. Just tap on the icon, and as you can see, the update will begin shortly. And as you can see, the update has begun. Wait for it. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Google Chrome updates, and you can open it right from here. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.